Hi guys! So we're back with another fashion challenge and it's called Guess the Fashion Icon.
And this one's going to be really fun because Shashank and I are not competing against each other. Which, thankfully for Shashank, I would have defeated him. Anyway, so we're competing as a team with the rest of the team. So we can combine our brains and make a guess.
So we'll be shown a certain graphic and we need to guess the famous fashion icon and like the person who wore it and where for a movie or an event, why the look is iconic. So all of that has to be mentioned, only then we'll get a point.
Okay, so guys, let's start the challenge now. We have all the graphics in front of us. We need to pick it up.
Oh wow! This polka dots, shorts,
Cleavage cross.
I have no idea.
I have no idea who put this and why.
But wait,
Why is this famous?
Or is it Hollywood? Do you think it's Hollywood?
Yeah, I guess. So. हाँ, मैं माधुरी दीक्षित तो नहीं पहनेगी ऐसा मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
80s में तो पहनती थी ना?
This is Dimple Kapadia.
This is Dimple Kapadia, yes.
An evening in Paris.
An evening, Bobby. Dimple Kapadia from Bobby. हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए.
Oh wow! It didn't look like Dimple Kapadia.
I don't know. I don't even remember. I don't know who Dimple
Yeah,
Kapadia is.
wait, I don't think she was even born. Who did
Dimple Kapadia. You don't know. नाम अच्छा है
हम
लेकिन.
तुम एक कमरे में
बा-
बंद हो
ओह, और चाबी खो जाए. Charlie Chaplin.
Very good.
Yeah, because of the hat and the mustache.
Yeah.
Everybody knows about him.
Yeah,
and
if you
what
don't know
an icon
Charlie
dude.
Chaplin, then you're just. If you don't know Charlie Chaplin, then you should go back.
then you're not blessed.
Yeah.
Huh, this is Charlie Chaplin.
From the movie Abhi
Charlie Chaplin, like there are n number of movies we can talk about. So this
Charlie
is Charlie
Chaplin.
Yeah,
Okay, so this is Charlie Chaplin. But Shashank, how did we guess it?
I think the hat. I didn't
It
see
was the hat for you?
Yeah, hat and the stick. Basically, that gives it away.
It was the whole entire ensemble for me. The way his feet are and the mooch.
Oh wow.
Joker.
Joker.
Joker's girlfriend, Batman.
No, it's not Wonder Woman.
No, it's that. Wo pink. Mad. What's her name?
Oh, I have no idea.
Joker, they kissed in that pool thingy, that new Batman movie.
I haven't watched the new Batman movies.
Even I haven't, but I
So
know
what's
the...
it? Quickly think. Pudding. No.
Pudding?
Oh,
sorry.
this is that movie. All my friends are heathens, take it slow.
No idea.
This is that girl.
I have no idea. Wow.
The most favorite for Halloween this year. Yeah? Everybody,
No
like
way.
men, women, were dressed up
Shit.
as this one.
Oh no, it's Harley Quinn from Suicide Squad. I haven't seen the movie, but it's a pretty iconic character.
Okay.
When the movie came out, everybody was very excited, but apparently the movie didn't do that well. I mean, people had high expectations.
Is it from the Pussycat Dolls?
I don't know. Is it?
Mm.
So, Pussycat Dolls will never wear that.
I can't recollect.
This hat gives. I think this hat
Ah,
is from some famous movie. Shit, man.
This hat is very famous. Is it
I've
Rekha?
seen
No. Is it Sri?
No, no,
Is
no.
it
Priyanka Chopra.
No, of course not. Give us a hint.
Julia Roberts? And I don't. Yeah, she probably knotted the shirt. No?
Oh, Sam.
Who has made this a week only? God knows.
Please blouse.
I think he put,
Aao
his,
kabhi
he put
Haveli
his
pe.
own shirt picture. He said, hey.
I think I know this, but
This is probably from some event, right?
yeah, some Oscar or something too. But who wore it?
Aishwarya Rai.
This is Devil Wears Prada.
How?
मेरिल स्ट्रीप लग रही है. मेरिल स्ट्रीप नहीं पहना हुआ है ऐसा.
This is some event?
Which? यार ऐसे तो कपड़े पहनती थी उसमें वो Devil Wears Prada.
No,
मेरिल
is
स्ट्रीप.
this some princess movie?
You should have had the other dress, the one with the, what's it called? The dress with the
Fringe. This one has fringe na.
But it moves, but they dance like
They
that.
can't show na the movement. So,
It's an Oscar-winning movie. How haven't you watched? You're a director.
यार ये तो नापा
I know,
डोरी है bro.
I know.
This is
That movie,
नापा डोरी.
what's his name? Yeah, that famous movie.
Was it a detective?
He's a cowboy. Cowboy.
Oh my. Which one?
Arey! Oh my god. Harrison Ford. No? Harrison Ford, so I got that, so I'm right. Harrison Ford won it, come on, by default. Harrison Ford, come on.
Done. जीत गए.
Some dude.
यार ये तो जैकेट पहन के घूम रहा है, ये तो कोई भी हो सकता है.
यार ये तो कोई भी हो सकता है. But this is Man vs Wild. This is that Taylor Swift song, Wild.
Indiana Jones. Got it. Got it. Oh my god, I can't
Finally,
believe
we
it.
got one. Alice in Wonderland.
No, this is some वो orphan kid or something. No.
Music, music. Not Orphan Annie.
This is Wednesday Addams. No.
This is some old movie, 60s movie,
Horror movie.
latest movie, Hindi movie.
It is Orphan. The movie, the horror movie.
Yes, it was a horror movie, guys.
I don't know why I'm laughing because it's a really scary movie. She's like really
मेरे को बस
scary.
ये छोटी सी याद है.
So wait, we just won. We beat Riya and Shashank.
One guys, we
I love beating Dia. It's really fun.
Yeah,
I don't know why.
I
No, I like beating her. So guys, I had a lot of fun doing this challenge with Bani, and also the fact that we won is even more fun. So let us know if you guessed any of these icons in the comment section below, and let us know how much you love us.
Yeah,
in the
please
comment
do
section
that.
below.
And while you're at it, please do check out Poppets shop. We have amazing merchandise. We've added so many new products. The link is given below in the description box. So go, happy shopping.
Happy shopping, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.